What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, giving you the updates of these cryptocurrency markets. Then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Bitcoin is back up. We dipped a little bit yesterday. Folks started panicking, but we did not panic because we understand the fundamentals. We stayed 10 toes down. And what we did when we saw that red, we started to get aggressive and we started to buy. Whenever we see the market dip in the bull market, those are buy signals for us. I told everybody in the Patreon, let's start to buy. Let's buy this dip. Lo and behold, Bitcoin had a 24-hour flash crash and it did a great recovery today. As you can see, Bitcoin is back to 66,300. Yesterday we dipped all the way down to $59,000. Today, 66,300. Great recovery, great strength, and Bitcoin is going in the right direction. Now, one of the main coins I want to talk about today is one of our favorite coins that we've been in for a while. We've been dollar cost averaging in this coin since it was beat down last year, 0.003. That coin is FitFi StepApp. This is a great coin. This coin has real use case in society. It's an app to where you can earn coins by doing fitness and finance. FitFi is the name of the coin. StepApp FitFi. As you work out, as you increase your health, you walking around, you competing, you can win finances. You can win coins on that particular platform. There's an app you can download. This thing is exciting. The market cap for this thing is real low currently. The market cap is still very low at $34 million. Currently, the price is up today. We're up 25%. Now, that's an excellent price. Everybody over there is celebrating. We are heading in the right direction. Shout out to the folks who bought in low when your boy was bringing you that coin over 6 months ago. We got in that coin when it was 0.003. We know the all-time high is 70 cents. So for the folks who got in low at 0.003, if it get to that all-time high, you're talking about a 233x. Now the price right now, we finally got over the 1 cent mark. But like I said, the all-time high is 70 cents. So it can easily get you a 70x if it gets back to the all-time high. This is an exciting coin. This coin is still not listed on Binance. It's still not listed on COINBASE. So the popularity of this coin will start to increase. You can buy this coin right now on crypto.com. Look in my description. Click that link for the crypto.com app and you can start dollar cost averaging in, getting your positions set in this particular coin. Don't think that you're late because like I say, the market cap is still low at $34 million. We just got lucky. We took a chance and got in it when the market cap was about $10 million. So we've already did a 4x or 5x from when we first got into this play. But like I say, this is an exciting play. Fitness and finance, FitFi, StepApp. You may want to check this play out. We're heading in the right direction, up 25% in one day. We traded sideways for such a long period of time. A lot of folks gave up on this play. But like I tell everybody, patience is undefeated. You have to understand the moments and you have to understand the 4-year cycles and the different segments, the different months and time schedules that we're in the 4-year cycle. We know we're still early. We haven't had the Bitcoin halving, so all these coins are going to start pumping. They're going to start running. You seen Pepe, you seen Shiba Inu. All these coins have been running, and your favorite coin will start to run also. Just be patient. Continue to dollar cost average into your play, and don't be doing all that trading. Just stick to your play, stick to your guns, and eventually your play will catch fire. Your play will run. That's how we did in this play. FitFi StepApp, we're expected to make exponential gains. We're expecting to do a 200x in this play. Now, like I say, if you're just getting in right now, the price is at 1 penny. You can ride this thing all the way up to the all-time high, 70 cents, and do a quick 70x. Worst case, stock holiday. What if it don't get back to all-time high? Well, hey, if it only get to 35 cents, you're still doing a 35x. That's excellent returns on any coin. Lock in 35x. You put in $1,000, you're talking about taking out $35. So, you know, the market, we're in an exciting point in the market right now. Bitcoin took a hit on the chin, bounced back, showed resiliency. We know we are heading to the marker to break the all-time high. Once we break the all-time high and break those resistance levels, things are going to really start to skyrocket. After the Bitcoin halving, things are going to start going parabolic. If you think it's exciting right now, you haven't seen anything yet. If this is your first time, just be patient, trust the process, and learn as much as you can. Learn the fundamentals about the 4-year cycle, because this thing just continues to repeat and does the exact same thing over and over every 4 years. It feels like we got cheat codes. It don't feel real. You open up your account and your account is up in the green. You're talking about up thousands and thousands of dollars. If you understand the opportunity that is before you, you can change your life. You can change your life financially in just the next 12 months, the next 18 months, if you have a game plan. That's why I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We have a lot of information over there, giving your boy, giving out buy signals, giving out sell signals, all type of low cap gem coins, the meme coins that can help your portfolio start to multiply. So look in that link, come on over there, hang out with us in the Patreon. But like I said, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good motivation, just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.